Kids, are you ready to have some fun and learn something cool today? Let's learn about the alphabet. Let's learn the letter A. A is for apple. Apple starts with the letter A. Apple. Can you say A? Let's learn the letter B. B is for bird. Bird starts with the letter B. Bird. Can you say B? Let's learn the letter C. C is for corn. Corn starts with the letter C. Corn. Can you say C? Let's learn the letter D. D is for doctor. Doctor starts with the letter D. Doctor. Can you say D? Let's learn the letter E. E is for eraser. Eraser starts with the letter E. Eraser. Can you say E? Let's learn the letter F. F is for flower. Flower starts with the letter F. Flower. Can you say F? Let's learn the letter G. G is for gift. Gift starts with the letter G. Gift. Can you say G? Let's learn the letter H. H is for house. House start with the letter H. House. Can you say H? Let's learn the letter I. I is for ice. I starts with the letter I. Ice. Can you say I? Let's learn the letter J. J is for jam. Jam starts with the letter J. Jam. Can you say J? Let's learn the letter K. K is for key. Key starts with the letter K. Key. Can you say K? Let's learn the letter L. L is for lollipop. Lollipop starts with the letter L. Lollipop. Can you say L? Let's learn the letter M. M is for mountain. Mountain starts with the letter M. Mountain. Can you say M? Let's learn the letter N. N is for nest. Nest starts with the letter N. Nest. Can you say N? Let's learn the letter O. O is for owl. Owl starts with the letter O. Owl. Can you say O? Let's learn the letter P. P is for popcorn. Popcorn starts with the letter P. Popcorn. Can you say P? Let's learn the letter Q. Q is for question. Question starts with the letter Q. Question. Can you say Q? Let's learn the letter R. R is for rabbit. Rabbit starts with the letter R. Rabbit. Can you say R? Let's learn the letter S. S is for star. Star starts with the letter S. Star. Can you say S? Let's learn the letter T. T is for tent. Tent starts with the letter T. Tent. Can you say T? Let's learn the letter U. U is for uniform. Uniform starts with the letter U. Uniform. Can you say U? Let's learn the letter V. V is for vase. Vase starts with the letter V. Vase. Can you say V? Let's learn the letter W. W is for water. Water Water starts with the letter W. Water. Can you say W? Let's learn the letter X. X is for X-ray. X-ray starts with the letter X. X-ray. Can you say X? Let's learn the letter Y. Y is for yak. Yak starts with the letter Y. Yak. Can you say Y? Let's learn the letter Z. Z is for zebra. Zebra starts with the letter Z. Zebra. Can you say Z? Thanks for watching.